give me. Let's pass.
But a friend of mine taught me.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So wherever you are,
Yeah.
they will be like, yeah. What do you think? Koji playing with
Who's the other guy?
We took him. We take him on a walk every morning.
Yeah,
A
yeah.
lot of times in the evening too.
Yeah. Yeah.
And today the farmers were out, so we didn't
Yeah.
let him off the leash.
Yeah.
So they didn't get as much of a